Coastal Scents partnered with the CCAF Shea Butter Village at Kasalgu to produce high-quality, all-natural skincare products, while offering benefits to the families who live and work there. Through the hard work and dedication of American volunteers and continued support from Coastal Scents, the Nuna Village Cooperative was also established in 2008. These cooperative projects were started to give rural Ghanaian women an opportunity to supplement family income and enhance their self-reliance through employment.
We started our shea butter business from the market, so we are very much quality conscious. And then when we moved down to the grassroots level, we realized that you cannot separate shea business from the rural poor people. So this gave us the opportunity to set up a clear-cut mission to provide our customers with the finest quality shea butter in collaboration with rural women at the grassroots level. So together we can eradicate poverty in northern Ghana.
Coastal Scents has sponsored an annual health insurance program whereby over 1,500 women have their national health insurance premiums paid at CCAF Shea Butter Village at Kasalgu and Nuna Village Cooperatives at Midi.
Thanks to Coastal Scents USA for their involvement in the payments of our health insurance premiums. The benefits to us from Coastal Scents partnership goes beyond money.
Coastal Scents has funded the construction of a new production facility to help expand the Nuna Village Cooperative's efforts in the region. These efforts allow the women of Ghana to play a central role in the control and development of their local communities.
It's really great because on one hand we give them work, so they have a better life. They're producing all those products for us, and then we're taking those products and we're bringing them to people all over the world, and they get relief using those products.